Don't wait. Your new life is waiting for you. Imagine waking up every day excited because you're living the life you always wanted to live. And that is just in itself a boon, to feel great when you wake up. What's your sign? Yield. No. We want our sign to be go, go, go. The time is now. Right now. Come on. Are you ready to start living? Stop dreaming and actually live the life you've always imagined. In just 12 weeks, my coaching program will show you how to break free from limitations and step into your most confident, abundant self. And it becomes a lifetime of beautiful, wonderful things. Because in these 12 weeks, my coaching program will show you how to break free of limited thoughts, limitations. We're unlimited, as they say, but we're unlimited. And you'll step into your most confident, abundant self. Now, here's how my program transforms your life. You'll get unshakable confidence. And you know, it's everything. You walk into a room knowing who you are, you'll silence that self-doubt, and you will embrace your true power. Absolutely. No more playing small. No, why would you want to? You're not, or aren't you in your career, in your life? Aren't you the most important person? Because you're the only one you have in the long run. So don't we want to be in this world as who we really are? You'll have enhanced relationships. As you transform, so will your relationships. And I mean, I'm talking everything from friendships. If you have a love relationship or want one, the number one love relationship we should all have is with ourselves. Because we are with ourselves. You'll attract people who align with your new energy. So, you know, some of us who made choices along the way, had toxic people in our life, they won't be attracted to us anymore. Because once we know who we are, and we'll know right away. Secondly, they don't want that kind of energy around them. People will come around you that are at your vibration, because that's what we attract. It's being in tune with who you are now. We attract what we are. We do. And we create. You'll have financial growth. When you change your assumptions about money, oh yeah, you'll open the floodgates to abundance. And for my past clients, they have manifested raises, new jobs and business growth. I mean exponentially fast. And the more you do it, the more you understand it, the faster it comes. You can have, people have said it's a miracle. Technically speaking, you've created it. You create the miracles every day. It's just knowing. And with my coaching, you'll know and you'll do it. Are you ready? Join me in this 12-week journey and make it your reality. Be like my clients. Your dream life is closer than you think. And sign in and we'll get you started. And I have one I've been working with for about 2-3 years. She's doing great. She's an executive, works in offices at a pretty high level. So most people have fear, and that's what we're working to overcome, at least most of the time. It's a form of panic because it's called worry. Number one, does worry get you anywhere? Absolutely not. The number one rule of law of assumption is being here, right where you're conscious. You have the subconscious and the conscious. The subconscious does whatever you tell it in the consciousness. And that's where the panic comes in, panic attack. You're having a fear of something that has not happened yet. Worry. Hope is a word that we throw around a lot, but hope is not knowing. Hope is only hoping. So the success story, and there are many. My client worried all the time. And many of us who worry are very unhappy. I've been working with my client on that. Does anything get done for the better when you worry? No.
and things will happen.
And when you learn not to worry and get collected,
that the good stuff speeds up. You can only really think one thought at a time. Though it seems like we think a lot, we're thinking one thing. What happened with her and the worry? When she would come to me for her sessions in a panic, I would say, is this helping? Is worrying about this happening or not happening? See, the false fear comes in, and it is false fear. Like, if I don't pay the rent, I'm going to be kicked out into the streets. Well, not immediately. First of all, it doesn't happen like that. We do have things that happen, yes. We can be kicked out for not paying rent or not paying a mortgage, but never happens in 2 seconds. And if it does, it's generally illegal. Are people losing their job and saying, oh my gosh, if I don't pay the mortgage or I don't pay the bills, then, you know, they're going to cut off the electric? Because they give you the late notices and, you know, see what's going on. If I leave this job now, then I'll lose the house or I'll lose my car. They'll repossess my car. It hasn't happened. You're worrying about something that hasn't happened. And you can create that situation because your subconscious believes whatever you tell it. Your consciousness is what talks. That's the part that's going, oh my God, I'm going to lose the car. They're going to take it back. So my client had some fears like that, worries. But then I would say, has it happened yet? And we would talk about that. And then she'd have to stop for a minute instead of going into the panic, oh God, this. And when she started calming this worry by coming off of it with all the classes she took with me, she took several and she did great. The more she lets go of this worry, you know, no, it's not happening right now. She's pushing because the future doesn't exist. Everything is now. So if it's right now, why are we worried about something that hasn't happened? Cross that bridge when you get to it. The minute she did that, by the way, all the stuff she had been worried about not getting or wasn't happening, suddenly she had a windfall of a certain professional she needed. Like, if you know, you're what if I never find one? What if this never happens? And you know what? The minute she let go of the worry, and I kept saying, what's there to worry about? There's, you know, plenty of them. The best one for you will be there. That person was found. After looking for weeks and weeks, found the person that they needed. And then she had these job opportunities. So it works. And so here we go. It's your lifetime. It's worth it. You'll get there. You are there. Let's go. So you can get the promotion or business growth you deserve, just like my clients who have done fantastic. When you embody the energy of success, go from $25,000 a year to $45,000 a year, and then from there to $102,000 a year. And yes, those are true numbers from clients. It happens, and that's in a year. They've been at 100,000, and then they went up to 150,000 in that same year, and a job that they loved. And this is my coaching clients. Lots of success. Attract wealth with so much ease. Attract your wealth. Money flows to those who expect it. Money flows, money grows. Anything you focus on grows. So if you focus on lack, it will get bigger. Let's not do that. The more you focus on what you want, let's say 80%, you still have room to be human, because we're all human, and there might be 20% of the time you don't. I know how to work through this. Teaching what I'm learning as I go along, but I'm there. I'm getting there more and more with me on this beautiful journey. Let's go. We can do that. I'll show you how to shift your financial mindset to abundance. Hard lesson to learn. I certainly am still continuing to learn. We've got to shift our mindset from lack to abundance. Let's learn. Let's learn together. I'm doing it each day, and boy, when it starts speeding up, you will be loving it, babe. Attract wealth with ease. Easy peasy. Money flows to those who expect it. You can do this. You can create it.